Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to run through our top 3 useful tips and tricks when using Dux Soup LinkedIn messaging software. Tip number 1. When selling to connections, don't come across as spam. Everyone hates it when they receive spam emails. Well, it's even worse on LinkedIn. The people that we connect with are expecting us to be interested in them and their working life. Therefore, it's vital that you make your messages simple and that you come across as interested in them and their business and how your product or service can help improve their life and their business's life. Number 2, set up Dux Soup within working hours. No one, unless you're a workaholic, looks at emails or work messages in their spare time. And even if you do because you're bored that one time, the likelihood is that you won't even respond to the message or read it properly. Therefore, if you're using automating messages, set up the Dux Soup planner to only message between usual office hours, such as from 9 to 5. This means people are in the right mindset to respond, because they are working, and more importantly, they can potentially talk to the decision makers at their business, which is what you want. Number 3, keep to the recommended messaging settings. If you change the throttling settings over the recommended number of messages a day, LinkedIn will send warnings that they will ban your account because they clearly know you're using automation software. I recommend setting it lower than the recommended time frame. Yes, you may not reach as many people, but for the people that you do reach, if they respond, you have more time to chat with them and won't have to worry about thousands of messages. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks. Like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.